Hello friends, I welcome you back in my channel. Today I am sharing another interesting question from Algebra. Solve square root of a plus square root of a b is equal to square root of 2560. You have to find the value of p, a and b where both are positive integers. So for this, first I am taking one variable or unknown to one side and shifting square root b to other side. Then as usual I'll square both the sides to get a from square root. So a is equal to square root of 2560 minus square root of b whole square. So it will be 2560 plus b minus 2 times square root of 2560 multiplies square root of b. So ultimately this is simplified to 2560 plus b minus 2 times square root of 2560b. Now a is an integer, left side is an integer, LHS is an integer. Two five six zero is an integer, b is an integer, b is also integer. So to make both the sides equal, 2i is square root of 2560 must be an integer. So applying number theory, to integer there should be no square root, then only it will remain integer. So to make this integer, I am finding the conditions. First is, let me factorize this, whether it is a complete square or not, to 1, then your 80, next is 2, 640, so it's very not that difficult, 320, 16, 280, 240, 220, and last part is 210. So square root of 2560 can be written as 4, 4, 6, 16 square root 10. So ultimately, we'll write that 16, 2 multiplies 16, root 10 by b must be an integer. This implies that 10 times of b must be an integer. When it is possible, if b is equal to 10 times of some square. So let it be n square. So b is equal to 10 times n square. With the same logic, I may write a is equal to 10 times of some square, 10m square, because I could have written in the same way, taking b left side, taking it a right side, will be having the same condition. So a is equal to 10 times n square and b is equal to 10 times n square. Next I'll put in this equation So it will be square root of 10m square plus square root of 10n square is equal to square root of 2560, that will be 32 square root 10, or I'll get square root 10 times m, square root 10 times n is equal to 32 square root 10, or cancelling square root 10, I'll get m plus n is equal to, it is not 32, it is it is a mistake, it will be 16. So it will be m plus n is equal to 16. So this is the condition, or these are the options where a is equal to 10m square, b is equal to 10n square, and the conditions are m plus n is equal to 16. Now apply the number theory. What will be the value of m and n to make the sum 16? So there are so many numbers. M can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 16. N must be, if it is 0 it is 16, if 1 15, 14, 13, and if it is 15 then it is 1, if it is 16 it is 0, if it is 14 it is here 2. So these are the pairs satisfying m and n. So let me write here m and n equal to 0, 16, 2, 1, 15, 1, 15, 2, 14, 3, 13 up to here 15, 1, 16, 0. Same way I can write if a and b. So first will be 0 square multiplies 10. So 0, 16 square multiply 10, 2560. So since it's the multiple of 10, it's easy to write. So this will be your 1 and 15 square into 10 is equal to 2250. Now coming to second one, 4 square 1 is 4. Square into 10 is 40. And 2 it is 14. 14 square is equal to 196. So it will be 1960. So on. Last one is again 2, 0, 1 and 2560 and 0. So in between there will be 7 pairs. So these are the solution for this equation. So it's a big equation, but due to number theory you can solve it very easily. So thank you for watching, for subscribing my channel.